guys, what up? It's me. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. As you guys voted on my Instagram poll, this is going to be a clothing related video, and since it is spooky season, we are going to be doing a Halloween rave outfit clothing video based off of last minute things and things that I literally found just right in my closet. Didn't buy anything for this video, I'm literally just pulling things out that I already had. There's so many amazing raves that are going on for Halloween. Unfortunately, I will not be going to any of those. I've been fortunate enough the last 2 years to be able to go to Halloween raves. I went to Escape last year. The year before, I went to Boo SF. Yeah, both were really fun events. Hijinks is happening. All sorts of fun Halloween themed raves are happening that I'm not at this year, but if I were at one of these raves and I didn't want to spend any money, this is what I would do, is I would just go through all my stuff that I already have and I'd pull something out and I'd make it cute. But I wanted to pick items in my closet that weren't super expensive, or items that I thought you might have already or have something similar to in your rave collection. That way you don't have to go out and buy something different. You can just use something that you have similar to hopefully what I have, because I feel like I have things that are kind of basic, because I'm kind of basic, so it's fine. The first outfit that I wanted to talk about, how rave outfits can be costumes, not just for Halloween. So if you did want to replicate these outside of just Halloween, you can definitely wear costumes to other raves. A lot of times people like to dress to the theme of the rave. So my outfit for Beyond Wonderland was a costume. It wasn't Halloween, but it was still a costume, and it was a very cheap, affordable costume that I had. So I'm gonna insert a picture somehow, if I can figure out how. And so I actually bought this blue dress for my Alice in Wonderland themed costume. Obviously it's Beyond Wonderland, so I wanted to be Alice. So I got this blue dress from Forever 21. It was really cheap, probably like 10 bucks. Really rewearable. Also from Forever 21. This is actually a shirt that I used. I just wanted like a really nice lacy fabric for the apron that Alice wears, but I was like, where do you get an apron? They don't sell just like aprons at the apron store. I actually did look at like a couple stores like Macy's, and they don't even have like aprons there that I could find. So I found this cute like lace print, and I was like, well, it's long sleeve, so I just fold it over like so and wrap it around. The sleeves then become the tie. You just tie this in a bow and that becomes your apron. So little life hack for you there. And so I also got from Forever, so this was like pretty much a whole Forever 21 outfit, but it ended up being like one of my best rave looks that people still to this day compliment me on and ask me about. For the headpiece, Alice in Wonderland has like a little like bow on her head, so I just got this cute little black bow that goes all the way around. You put it on, super cute. And lastly, to finish off the look, I had some thigh-high black socks with like a little lace white trim, so very cute Alice in Wonderland look. You guys could definitely easily replicate with some similar things at your own Forever 21, Target, wherever, or just things out of your own closet. Alright, so let's see our next look. So, here is my first example of a rave Halloween outfit that you can do. Super easy, super basic. Like me, I'm basic. I just had these cat ears from Forever 21. This bodysuit is, surprise surprise, as you all know, I am a big fan of I Heart Raves, but super affordable. Pretty sure I bought it for a discount on sale. It was like, I think it was like 15-20 bucks. The sides have this really cute cutout pattern, and it goes all the way up. It's on both sides, so I really love that. It's really cute. It's got a cute little booty, so love that. These are also I Heart Rave garters, but they just go with every outfit, and they're not like what you would think, like garters that slip down all the time. I feel like these ones actually stay on, so good investment in these ones. Just make sure to put them in a Ziploc baggie, otherwise you'll be like me and you will have lost one and be on your second pair already. This is supposed to be finding things that you already have in your rave wardrobe, so I feel like most of us girls do have some sort of sparkly piece in our Rave collection. So pick your sparkliest one out, and if you don't have a very sparkly piece, get one, because you definitely need one in your Rave wardrobe. The sparklier the better. We all need like one super sparkly piece. Also, if you don't want to be as, you know, scandalous as me with my booty out, you definitely do not have to. You guys can make it a little bit more covered up. Ta-da! Ta-da! Here it is with some shorts on. Still got the garter belts on with it. I think it still looks really ravey, really cute. But definitely a lot more covered up. You can wear your own shorts so they don't show your booty as much, and you'll be a lot more covered up, and you'll probably feel a lot more comfortable. And that's really what it's all about, is feeling comfortable in what you're wearing. Wear what makes you feel good. This is what makes me feel cute and good, so I'm just showing you some of my personal examples of what makes me feel cute and comfortable in a Halloween rave fit. The boots that I've paired with this outfit are, surprise, surprise, Doc Martens. They're very, very comfortable. These are the platform Docs. I know, I'm super flexible, right? These are the platforms, so I feel like these are great for shows. If you're a short person like me, I'm only 5 foot tall, you're gonna wanna have a little bit of extra platform on there. These are great because they're like flat, so they're not like heeled. You won't feel like you're super tired at the end of the night, so love these for festivals. All right, so you can also do this look with black denim on the bottom. It doesn't have to be light wash. This one I love. My friend passed this one on to me. It's like black cheetah print. So perfect for like a cat look, because it just reinforces the whole like cat family thing. I don't know. That doesn't really make sense, but it works. My friend who took me to my first rave taught me that accessories are the key to your outfit. You definitely don't want to forget about accessories. The outfit itself can be like obviously as bright and as sparkly and in your face as you want, but if you don't have the right accessories, you're not gonna have the whole look tied together. Accessories are the key. The cat theme, reinforce it, is some cat eye sunglasses. These ones are purple, so they go with the purple look of this bodysuit. But definitely a cute look to go with it. And of course, you gotta have some candy on. And I'm sorry if you guys voted on candy on my last Instagram poll. I will definitely be making a video about all my candy that I've made or received. So don't worry, I haven't forgotten about you guys. Definitely gonna make a candy video very soon. These heart eye ones that are also matching to the color of this. And we got these ones on. Another accessory you can add, simple and easy. Most of us have these in our wardrobe already, are a choker. This one's holographic. It's a ring choker from Rave. I always love a good choker on my rave looks. So this is how this one would look. Another look I wanted to show you guys was these bottoms with the glittery cat ears. These are the roller disco shorts from Rave. They're like 15 bucks. They also have like a little side cutout, like the first glittery outfit. Super cute, show off your nice little curves, because as we all know, Sunshine Sparkles is a curvy girl and love your body. I really wanted to show you guys for this look was this top, but I actually don't have any pasties to wear right now with it. So I'm just gonna wear it over this blue one, and obviously you wouldn't have this right here. Like I would wear this, just this, and just this little look. You could definitely make into another version of the cat. This is an example of a rave Halloween costume that could also just be a regular rave outfit or a regular rave costume. I actually wore this to Beyond Wonderland, so not a Halloween look for me, but could definitely be a rave Halloween look. And so fun to play with, especially when you're dancing and vibing. It is super cute. I'm a little short, so as you can see, it's supposed to go stretched out like a little bit further, but my arms can only make it such a far distance. Another great thing about the wings is you can nice cover yourself up, and now you're nice and warm, and it's a little pashmina. I actually got these wings from a thrift store for $7. Definitely check local thrift stores. Some thrift stores, depending on like their style, will even have like a whole like rave section of clothes, so like you can find like really cheap rave clothes through thrifting. Alright, so the next outfit that I'm gonna do is a race car driver. So this look has been really trendy lately. I feel like race car driver is a super cute Halloween look. A little catwalk for you guys. This look, I have this jacket. It's sort of like, not really like a jacket material. It's really thin actually, so it's more just like a cover up. This one was maybe one of the, probably like between $20 and $40, so probably one of the more expensive pieces in this look. For a jacket, I would say like not super expensive in the scheme of things, especially for Dolls Kill. Shorts, as you may recognize, are part of my Lost Lands looks. I got this as part of my I Heart Rave's Unicorn Crew look. This is all just stuff that I'm pulling right out of my rave closet to give you guys some inspiration. Checkered is also something a lot of us have. A lot of us have checkered sort of prints somewhere lying around. So it's definitely an easy look you can do if you have any sort of checker print, red or yellow. A lot of us also have these very basic yellow sunglasses. Literally any sort of like bright colored sunglasses would definitely look good with the race car theme look. So on top I have a Rolita Couture red fake leather kind of top with like a belt buckle here. That's another trend that I've just been seeing going around, is the belt buckle thing. I see them all sort of like all over people in different ways. The strappy sort of look is really trendy right now, and that goes also great with the race car theme. This top is great too because it has these like different sort of ways that you can tie it. I tied it just all the way around, but you can, it has 4 ties that you can do all sorts of weird little crossy patterns, so you could really rewear this top in so many different ways. So here's the top without the jacket. Ooh, almost fell. You can do your hair in like 2 high ponytails, like so. Hair poofs, I got this at Michael's craft store. It literally couldn't have been more than like $5. It came with a pack of 2 with black ones and pink ones. Cute additional touch to your racer outfit. Here's my next look. It is also another very basic costume. It's Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse, but make it rave. It might be a basic like party costume. I definitely don't feel like I see or have seen in the last 2 years like overkill on Minnie Mouse. I think she's definitely needing to be hitting the rave scene. So for this look, I'm using just kind of a basic black bra top. You could literally just use any black bra that you have. We all have some sort of bralette or bra that is black that looks like this. On the bottom, what I'm wearing is a red fake leather skirt. These ears I've had since I was a kid. Most of us have been to Disneyland before. Most of us can find a pair of these in our closet right now, either the sparkly ones or a different pair. Most of us have some sort of Minnie or Mickey ears. Maybe you have a Rave Bae with you. If you have a Rave Bae with you, make him dress up as Rave Mickey. It'll be cute. Super cute. Oh, that would be a cute idea. I wish I had me a Rave Bae, but Minnie's been hanging out with some goofies. Alright, so for my next look, yes, I know all my looks today are definitely involving ears in some way. I'm a big fan of headgear. One way that this may sort of not be great for raving though, and you should definitely take into account, is that it may not be great for dancing. I've had a lot of problems before with headgear and dancing. It may be great for some pictures at first, and then you may end up wanting to take them off so you can actually dance and not have this falling off your head every 5 seconds, especially if you're someone like me who loves to headbang. You're not gonna want to go like, you know, and have this fall off your head, especially if you're going really hard, because that was just, you know, a really small example. Don't be like fully going into it, but these would totally fall off and fly across like this whole room right now. So wear them anyways, and not have them fall out is to put it in and then braid your hair around where this part is, so braid it over and then they'll stay in. So life hack if you want to keep them in and actually have a great night and continue to headbang and actually not have them fall out at all. Neon green has been a really big trend in this rave season. I cut holes into this one to make it kind of like more space galactic, which you can totally do with literally anything you own that's just like neon green. Just cut little holes into it. This is a fluffy choker that I wore to count down these sunglasses that I could wear with it. Again, I just wanted to show that you don't have to go as all out as I go and like wear no pants. I just hate pants. I love just being free. You can wear some little booty shorts with the look as well, and it will still look just as cute. Actually, if you wear some like neon color, this purple one, I feel like I look more like the aliens from Toy Story, the little like the claw, that one. But it's still really cute. You could do some cute green and purple makeup with it. I just wear denim shorts with it. You'd still look like an alien. If you don't have green sunglasses to wear with an alien fit, you can also wear silver sunglasses or any sort of just like chrome or like crazy color sunglasses that you have. Space alien-esque. What is the look? Yeah, this one. This is the one. E.T. going home. Another really simple one that you can do. I got this bad boy from the dollar section of Target. Definitely check out your Dollar Trees, your dollar sections of Target. They always have some great finds. So these are actually the bottoms that relate a couture set that I showed you earlier for the race car look that I'm now putting into this devil costume. I just put a little red bra top. It's like a red like crushed velvet bra top that I've had since middle school. If you have any sort of red bra top, that would be what you would want to put on the top. This is maybe too dark of a shade of red for the bottoms, but you know, it still looks cute, I think. Especially if you add some darker accessories, like maybe if I put the black garters on. Again, I told you guys those go with everything. So, but here's another option for the devil costume. This is the Minnie Mouse skirt. You could just wear a different red bra or the same one. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching my first clothing related YouTube video on Halloween themed last minute costumes that you can do. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching me again or for watching me for the first time. And please, please, please subscribe. Make sure to follow my Instagram because I'll be using Instagram poll feature to see what you guys want to be watching on my YouTube channel. So that way it's not just me making a whole bunch of content that you guys don't want to watch. And I'll see you guys back on my next video. Bye!